solar companies, when you go on their website or whatever, they'll want various pieces of information, some of it personal. So I can talk through, why they're asking those questions. Number one, obviously they want your name and your email, your phone number so they can contact you. That's always ideal. They want to make a sale, right? So they want to be able to contact you to do that. Why they ask for your address is typically so they can look at your roof via a satellite image and see how much sun exposure you have. So a lot of people, this happens a lot. We'll ask people on the phone, do you get all day sun? Do you have shade from trees or whatever? A lot of people will say, no, I get all day sun. Then you'll look at their roof on a satellite image and they're in a forest. They might call all day sun is different to what we call all day sun, obviously. So we like to get the address so we can look at the roof on satellite and just get an idea of what we're working with in that regard. Not just shade, but also how big is the roof? If you tell me you've got a $500 monthly bill, but you've got a tiny little house, well, I don't have enough room to put all the panels on there. So let's talk about maybe a partial offset, or let's talk about energy efficiency upgrades or something like that. So those are some reasons we ask for the address so we can see the roof. Another big one is people ask the FICO, or they ask what the household income is. Is your household income at least $40,000, or do you pay taxes on your income? The reason they're asking about income or about income taxes is because to qualify for the federal tax credit, and in South Carolina there's also a state tax credit, to qualify for those you've got to be paying taxes on your income. That doesn't mean sales tax, it doesn't mean property tax, it means taxes on your income. If you are not paying taxes on your income, you cannot claim the tax credits, unfortunately. And there's nothing we can do about that. As a solar installer, believe me, we'd love to sell everybody regardless of their tax situation. But the way the tax code is written with that credit, it comes out of the taxes you've paid or the taxes you owe. And so if you're not paying taxes on income, we can't claim that, we can't help you claim that. Coming back to the FICO, people ask that is because most customers will want to take a loan, and most solar companies will have financing partners they can set you up with. And those financing companies, of course, have different credit criteria they go by. Some will go down to like a 600 FICO, many are up around 620 to 640. So if somebody's got a very low credit score, typically speaking, we're not going to be able to help them because they won't qualify for one of the loans that we have, unless they want to pay cash, of course. But that's why that question is asked. Can we work with you? Can we help you or not? Oh, and do you own your home is the other big one. We can't really help renters, unfortunately, because they can't do a major home improvement on a home that they're renting. I think that's the main qualifying criteria that we check on.